Here, our goal is to factorize and simplify this algebraic expression. Notice that we have x squared minus 4 all over 5x plus 10. And our goal is to factorize this expression. And so, in order to factorize the numerator, we're going to use the difference of two squares formula. And the difference of two squares formula states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, what is the difference of two squares formula saying? It's saying that if we have a squared, we take the square root of a squared, which is a. And if we have b squared, we take the square root of b squared, which is b. And then we add them, then we subtract them. And so here we have x squared minus 4. What is the square root of x squared? Well, the square root of x squared is x. Now, what is the square root of 4? Well, the square root of 4 is 2. And so we add them and then we subtract them. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Next, we factorize the denominator. Notice that 5 is a factor of this particular term, and 5 is a factor of 10. And so 5 is in both of these terms. And so we factor out a 5, and so we are left with 5. And so we have 5, and we're left with x plus 2. And we know that we're left with x plus 2 because 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 2 is 10. Next, we have to cancel. So we cancel out this x plus 2 with this x plus 2, and we are left with x minus 2 all over 5. And that's the answer to this particular question. X minus 2 all over 5, because we're left with x minus 2. So it's going to be x minus 2 all over 5. And we do not have to keep the parentheses, so we could drop the parentheses. So if we drop the parentheses, the answer is x minus 2 with no parentheses all over 5. And that's the answer to this particular question.